So the last 2 weeks, I've quit my job and I'll be leaving into June. I made an offer on a house and we bought a Tesla for a Turo.
Wow.
Yes.
So it's kind of like some wins and some losses there all in one go.
Yeah. Well, what's the loss, man? Sounds like all wins to me.
Yeah, so I guess it's a good thing. We've been doing the whole manufacturer spending, so that's been going well. It's been crazy. I've been really like into the whole points and like, I'm like, oh, we can redeem them for the gift cards and even like it's been crazy. So it's been pretty cool just really learning about like, with the videos and stuff that you have. So we've been kind of killing that.
My credit's going to be looking much better in a year. Business credit is coming up and do it again. I'm house hacking with my VA loan.
Love it. Okay.
Luke requested increases, so I think he went from around 27K to 68K on all his cards combined with the limit increases that he got.
Let's go. I love it.
Yeah, I know, right? So,
little boy.
Yeah.
And stuff. I know how you said like we're gonna go open up a bunch of bank accounts. We're gonna like start relationships. We're gonna do that next week, and then when we do the mass supply, you like you said, you have the relationship established. So
got first little batch of cards. Went through those bad boys and was able to not liquidate them at Walmart, but I found a couple of grocery stores that were able to do some money orders. So I'm happy about that because I was kind of concerned. I was looking for other avenues.
We're like the 15th of June and it's already at like 63,000 in gross sales. So sales volume has jumped up significantly. And I think we're averaging around like 10 or 12%. I think in profit margins, that's about what it's been on average, I would say. So yeah, it's been pretty impressive, man. And that was one of the reasons why I joined the group, was just learning how to properly leverage credit and points and different things like that. We do that in our real estate business. So yeah, that was a good win for me this week.
Love it.
Yeah, bro, that's awesome.
I got one of the bankruptcies off of my credit report last week, or one bureau dropped it. So I was like surprised how easy it was. I was like, what? This is wild. So
how much time and energy?
Bro, it was so fast. It was like, it was the back door on Equifax that they removed it. So super, super quick. So I got the other two, Experian and TransUnion, to send in a sweep about.
We are pumped. I mean, we did the mass supply. It was a lot of work, but the payoff was great. So
how much work was it? Talk to us. How bad was it?
It was a lot of work. I mean, just keeping track of the cards and then calling the people back and seeing if we got the card. And then mostly any card we got denied for, we just talked to them and then we were able to get approved, which was crazy.
I guess I'll start with a win. Man, what a great week we popped up with. I'm going to end up having 5 closings in the next 13 days. And last month we had our best month ever when it comes to our 3 Airbnbs, grossed 15 grand, so $5,000 a pop. And then our best wholesaling fee month, I want to say it was 71 or 72 grand. So overall, craziest, best month we ever had was last month in June. And this month, we're not going to hit the best, but we're definitely going to be close. So 2 months in a row of it's great.
I love it, Tony. That's what's up, man.
Yeah.
Good job.
Yeah, so super awesome on that end.
You guys got 453,000
so far.
Yeah.
On the first mass supply. I love it.
Yeah. Pretty good.
Yeah. So again, a lot of work. I think we would have gotten less than half if we hadn't made all those phone calls and really pushed them back. So
I can let you know that I did my first day of manufacturer spending.
Let's go. How was it?
Pretty cool. I mean, something different.
What about the experience? You went to the mall, you got gift cards, and then what?
Then I took them to, one was Myers, and I got $1,000, basically $8 short of $1,000 returned to me. And then I took the other one to Pick and Save and the other one to Walmart.
And which area are you located again?
Wisconsin, Milwaukee.
Okay, cool. Okay, awesome. So it worked out.
Yes.
Signed up for a 20 grand business line of credit with Banner Bank.
Yeah.
Go live today. So I have access to it as of like tomorrow morning. That's awesome. First one for the business. So actual line credit.
The last 2 weeks been kind of crazy, man. I know we talked, but I just been kind of promoting the funding kind of thing, kind of building out the funding company. I've actually, probably 2 weeks, we've probably closed 100K in revenue already.
Let's go.
I believe 10 of my hard acquired inquiries removed.
Let's go. So, I'm so excited.
Friday, this Good Friday. And this morning I woke up and 8 more were gone. So
Go.